Hi, my name is Mo from Blackburn, and I've come over today for the 4-day course.
Amazing. How have you found it?
The course has been amazing so far, very informative, I'd say. Um, Really, really helpful. I feel like all the academy members I've spoke to have been really nice, really forthcoming about everything. And the actual course itself, I've made so many notes, it opens your eyes so much. And just being in and around the community, it just brings out the best, I'd say. So, yeah, very informative,
Have
very
you
informative.
seen deals being made in the room?
Yeah, yeah. So I've seen people literally discussing their deals, showing each other what they have. So like a deal source, for example, might be going to someone to show what. Like I've been to the drinking network thing, and literally I watched someone exchange details over a deal that they already had, which is wicked to see. So yeah, and in the room as well, Samuel's calling people, estate agents, stuff like that. So it was really nice to see.
And what's it like seeing Samuel work?
Honestly, it's crazy, just the work ethic, and even like the rest, like Russell, Samuel, everyone, just the way they go about it with such confidence is inspiring to what you want to be. So that's the level I kind of want to get to. Samuel's obviously the best at it. So
Amazing. Final question. So anyone who's thinking about getting into property, do you think this is a good place for them?
absolutely, I think genuinely I can't like put enough respect on how everyone here, the team that he has, the mentors, the advisors, everyone, they're really good, really helpful, really forthcoming, and really there for you. And they listen, they listen to each and every one of everyone's situation. Everyone's situation is different, mine particularly as well. So they've really set out a plan and helped me out. And I couldn't recommend it, even just if you want to come just to learn. Honestly, there's so much to learn, and there's so much things that you thought you might know, but there's so much more you can gain from just coming here. So yeah, I'd recommend it highly.